Hi everyone. We have clay soil in our yard, but we managed to grow some delicious blueberries that we just started harvesting. We want to share 2 ways of growing blueberries successfully in clay soil. First way is what we used. For each of our blueberry plant, we dug a large hole in ground, about 14 inches wide and 14 inches deep. We filled it up with peat moss. Blueberries need acidic soil, and peat moss provides that soil condition. We planted our blueberries in and mulched them with pine bark mulch, which also helps increase the acidity. But that was not all. Next comes the maintenance of these plants. From March to July, once every month we sprinkle about a tablespoon of this organic soil acidifier near the roots of each blueberry plant. This helps maintain the acidic levels. We planted these blueberries in fall of 2020, but we did not let them go to fruit in 2021 to allow the plant to establish well. So now they are laden with fruit in their second year in this garden. Since we have waited so long for this harvest, we covered it with organza bag to protect our harvest as the berries started getting blue. We also had bunnies chewing down any new growth last year. This year, we wrapped bird netting around these plants and planted lavender and garlic next to them. This has reduced the damage from bunnies significantly. 3 of our plants are doing great. The 4th one seems to be struggling since the very beginning, even though it got the same treatment as other 3. We plan to trim it down to ground, and maybe that would encourage it to push new growth. The second method to plant blueberries in clay soil is to plant them on a mound. We noticed this last year on a local blueberry farm. It's a neat idea if you have enough space and are not planting blueberries in front yard unlike we did. We will also show you an alternative to blueberry plants that is much easier to plant and to take care for in another video that we will publish soon. So don't forget to subscribe. If you found value in this video, do hit the like button to show your support. Thanks for watching.